So people have been sending me DMs to advise them on the best strategies to invest their money in 2021, how to invest, the best way to invest their money in 2021. I keep telling people I'm not a financial advisor, but I feel the need to share this video because it is important for us to know how to smell a bad investment from a distance. Even if your financial advisor is not around, at least you should be able to take some simple decisions on your own without your financial advisor. When someone comes to you and say, I have an investment opportunity, you should be able to smell it. Is this right for me? Is this something I should invest my money in? So that is why I feel the need to share this video with you today. So 2020 was a rosy year for the forex market, so I decided to invest my money with one of the trading companies in Nigeria, where I earned 10% ROI monthly on my investment. I did that for 6 months and I earned 60% ROI on my investment. At the end of that tenure, I earned my interest, that's the returns on investment, and my initial capital. I was smiling to the bank. During this period, there were companies offering me 20% ROI, 30%, even 50%, but I refused to invest my money with them. That is because I learned to smell a bad investment from a distance. In this video, I'll be sharing with you how to know or smell a bad investment from afar. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Funke Odode. On this channel, we do personal finance, entrepreneurs, and real life issues. If you find this interesting, all you need to do is click that subscribe button, the like button, watch this video to the end, and where I go. One of the ways to know if it's a bad investment is if they don't have a location. Guys, you cannot just give your money to someone with just a phone number and a website. You're taking the 100% risk. It's your hard-earned savings. So you don't want to be careless with it. They must have an office. You go to their office, you'll be able to gauge if they are worth your investment or not. And believe me, your instinct is always right. Don't go and shishifaye, man. If you give your money to the wrong kind of investors, guys, you're going to shisha fires. Guys, don't forget to hit that like button, the subscribe button if you're new here. Please share with your family and friends. It will really help my algorithm. The second point is if they give you an ultimatum. Guys, if someone is telling you if you don't invest your money within a particular time frame, you're going to lose so thing, it's a lie. Tell them to relax. As in, it's a lie. It's usually a lie. You will always come back to a habit. So if it is a real and good investment, guys, there's no need to hurry. Remember that money you put together didn't happen in a day or in a second or in a minute. So don't rush to take decisions. Calm down. Like seriously, I mean it. Calm down. You see, fraudsters depends on your greed to make their own ends. So don't do that. Don't give away your future to any fraudster or any scammer. It's not worth it. You have got to do your qualitative and quantitative analysis of any investment you're going into before you invest your money. They say investment is usually risky. It's not your investment that is risky. You are at risk. So it means your money is at risk. So you don't just want to give it away on a platter of gold. So number 3 is being a loner in an opportunity. Guys, it's an investment opportunity. If something is called an opportunity, you can't be the only one that knows about it. So you must have someone somewhere in the world that knows about it. Contact your friends, your cliques, research. Let's know if there's somebody that knows about this opportunity before you invest your money in it. If there's no one that knows about it, guys, chances are it's not a good investment. It's a bad investment for you, or they are gaming. So don't put your money in that kind of investment. Number 4, an investment must be clear and simple. If you don't know what an investor is doing with your money, you should run away from that kind of investment. You must be in the know of what your money is being used for. If they are telling you you have to, then we will now, before we now, you know what, it's a little complicated. Just give us the money. In the next 2 weeks, you're going to get 100% back. Guys, it's a lie. Ask me, I've been there. I'll give you 30% ROI, 50% ROI, 100% ROI. What exactly are they doing with your money to get that kind of returns on investment? You see, if you invest in the money market, you know that you're lending your money to the government is paying you back with an interest. If you invest in the stock market, you know that it's a trading platform, you buy and sell stocks. That is clear and simple. That's an example of a clear and simple investment. Now, what exactly are you guys doing, or what exactly is that organization or company doing to give you the returns on investment? It must be clear and simple. Remember. Now, those of you that have not subscribed to my channel, did you see that red bell by the side? I think it's on the lower left hand side. Yeah, yeah, that's the one. Click it. Yeah, thank you guys, and hit that like button. Now let's go to number 5. A good investment must have a realistic return on investment. So if any investment is to give you 20%, know that at least, that is at the least, they must make more than that, of course, but then at the least they must make twice that percentage on your money before they can give you that 20%. So if they are offering you 20%, know that they will be making at least 40% on that money. Ask yourself, is this realistic? What exactly do these people say they are doing to achieve giving me 20% on my investment every month? Don't be greedy. These guys, they will capitalize on your greed. And you see, greed drives men to the opposite direction of what is good. So don't do that. Don't do that to yourself. It's not worth it, not in any way. Remember my video on stocks, how to own a share? You know, you don't have to have all the money in the world to do it. You can do it with as low as 5,000 naira. Check out that video if you have not. You will really have a lot of benefits from that particular video. And if you're not used to savings, or you're having a difficulty saving, putting some money together, please check out my video on best ways to save. You will have practical ways to achieve savings in no time. And if you have a low investment, probably you've been using the 90-10 rule and yet it's not working. Guy, you need an additional means of income. That's why you should check side hustles you can engage in. Practical side hustles that would not really stress you that much, that you can engage in. I have a few videos right now that you can benefit from. Please do well to check it out. And remember, you have the ability to create your own reality. Bye-bye.